Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about. How to lose 10 pounds in just 1 month. If you are ready to kickstart your weight loss journey, you are in the right place. So I'm your host Jenny and I'm here to guide you through the process. Now let's dive into these fantastic workouts that will help you shed those pounds. We will start with our first workout. Number 5. Cardio. A 30-minute brisk walk or jog can kickstart your weight loss journey. Let's get started that heart rate up and burn those calories together. Number 4. Next up, we have strength training. We will show you some basic exercises using body weight and dumbbells to build lean muscle and boost your metabolism. So get ready to feel the burn and watch those pounds melt away. So number 3 is high intensity interval training is our third workout and it's just a game changer. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods. It is a calorie torture and get ready to sweat and see results like never before. So number 2 is a strong core is essential for overall fitness. Join us for a quick core workout to tone those abs and improve your posture. Your body will thank you. Number 1. Finally, we will wind down with some yoga and stretching exercises. Relax, improve flexibility and reduce stress. You deserve this moment of tranquility on your fitness journey. So there you have it folks, 5 simple workouts to help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key and combine these exercises with a balanced diet for the best results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. So thank you for watching and stay connected.